Not bad. Where's Nick?
Hey, Nick.
20 years. Nick, where are you from in California?
Carmel.
Sorry? Carmel. Fantastic. Beautiful place. Are you ready to sing for us?
Yeah, I guess so.
Fantastic. It's a very quick intro, so we'll start straight away. Ladies and gents, everybody loves somebody sometimes. Give Nick a great big round of applause. Here we go.
Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your head just told me my sometime is now. Everybody finds somebody someday. There's no telling where love may be. Something in my heart keeps saying my someplace is here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every turn to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your heart. Everybody loves somebody sometime, and all my dream was overdue. Your love made it well worth waiting for someone like you. For every girl you have your charm, every minute, every hour, every boy will find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime, and although my dream was overdue, your love made it well worth waiting for someone like you. Ladies and gentlemen, California. Good job, Nick. Thank you very much. All right, Peter, Nick, and roll those three key categories, ladies and gentlemen.